Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to recover files deleted from recycle bin. Well, we all experience this situation some or the other time when we accidentally delete important files or folders and unfortunately they're no longer available in trash bin. We can retrieve lost files using data recovery softwares. For demo purpose, I'm gonna create a file called test file. I'm gonna delete it from documents folder and even from trash bin. In this video, I'll use data recovery software called TestDisk and it is completely free. If you are a Windows user, you can try Disk Drill and it is also completely free software. You can press Shift plus Delete key to completely delete the file. That means it doesn't go to trash bin, it directly gets deleted. To recover the lost file or to restore deleted file, open your terminal and install TestDisk using the command sudo apt-get install TestDisk. You can also check if the utility is installed using the command TestDisk and version v. So let us start TestDisk by typing TestDisk. It appears like this. Press on create. TestDisk is not only used to recover lost files, it is used to recover lost folders, partitions. It can be used to make non-booting disks bootable again. So it does more things other than recovering files. So to recover files, click on create. And then it asks to select the partition table type. But by default, it detects partition table type. Please click enter. And you're gonna select accordingly. Please read the instructions. So here I'm gonna select advanced because it is file system utils. I don't want to change any disk geometry or notify systems. You should select the file path. Like in my case, it was documents and deleted files are shown in red color. Please press C to copy the selected file and choose the destination and again press C to restore the selected or copied file to the particular destination and Q to quit. It is not always possible to recover a file that gets deleted from recycle bin because we need to understand the process, like where the file goes after it gets deleted from recycle bin. So when file gets deleted from recycle bin, it loses its name entry by which it is identified, but not the data. It gets a tag called free, which means other applications can use it to store data. So until some application uses this free storage space, original files are still there intact. That means the data is there. So it is impossible to recover if it is used by other application. So it is almost impossible to guess how much time it needs to get overwritten. It depends upon your usage of computer and also the empty space you have in your storage device and lot more things.